And welcome back. Jamaica's Reggae Girls have qualified for the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup in France following a 4-2 penalty shootout win over Panama in their third-place playoff at the CONCACAF Women's Championship in Texas, USA a short while ago. The match ended 2-2 after regulation and extra time. Leading goal scorer Khadija Shaw gave the Reggae Girls the lead in the 14th minute before Natalia Mills found an equalizer for Panama in minute 74. 16-year-old Jody Brown then put Jamaica ahead in first half extra time, but the Reggae Girls couldn't see off the match as Lynette Cadino netted in the 115th minute to level proceedings for the Panamanians. But the Jamaicans held their nerves in the dreaded shootout, converting all their penalties and saving 2 from Panama to book their flight to France 2019, just over 20 years since the men's team made their only appearance in FIFA's showpiece.
The euphoria is unbelievable. There's a lot of sacrifice that have been made by these ladies, and they really went out there and put it all out on the line. Despite falling behind after taking the lead twice, we were still resolute, and we decided that even in penalty kicks we would not be denied. And our goalkeeper Nicole McLaren came up trumps in the penalty shootout, saving 2 penalties, and the rest of the young ladies kept steady heads and scored the necessary goals. And now we're onward to France 2019. Something when we started in May of this year, people would have thought impossible, but we have made the impossible possible, and we want more success, and we are going to keep fighting.